So there's an additional piece of canvas here, which I've taken down for the purpose of the video, but the boys will have installed this for you. It's just hanging here with Velcro. And the good thing with this is it's an extra piece of canvas that will hang down to stop the light going into this area if the kids need to go to sleep. And you can have the cabin light in here and darkness in there. So there's a couple of pieces of Velcro. So it's flat across the top with Velcro. And this simply Velcros on to the pole in 3 places. That's one. So you wouldn't need to have this installed if you weren't so worried about the light with littlies. It's definitely handy to have. And there's your 3 there. So then that actually will Velcro now to the side as well. On each side. There's a panel down the side here in the tent. And then that will go onto there. So that's a very handy piece. And then you have a zipper. In this case, it starts on this side. And then once the zipper's open, you could leave it all the time in the trailer when you open and close if you wanted. And then you can roll that up when you don't need it. And then there's a couple of clips there. So that's a really handy piece in the smaller rear side of the trailer. So there's also a privacy screen over the main bed in the camper. We've got it rolled up at the moment. This one's permanently attached to the cabin, so you can't remove it like the other one. But there's a couple of clips here, really simple. That'll drop down. And then there's a zipper that'll go the whole way around.